Whether you're a traveler or hobbyist hiker or just an office person who needs to carry his work laptop, you will need a comfortable backpack. I have been using this for long enough and serves all of the above purposes. Let's take a look at this SwissGear travel backpack. Starting from the outside first, whole bag is made up of polyester material which is kind of a semi-water resistant, and on the back there is a mix of fabric and polyester with thick foam of padding. In the front there are two pockets. Top one is about 8 inches deep and covers the whole upper part, while the bottom one has multiple pockets inside it. This pocket also extends a little bit from the back surface to fit more stuff inside it. On the outside, there are short straps if you want to hang any other accessories. Also, there is one D-ring keychain and one regular detachable key holder inside the pocket. Now, as far as the compartments, you can see there are 3 different zippers on the side, but there is only one main compartment in this bag. The zip in the bag extends from the top to the bottom side, where you will be able to fit up to 17 inch of laptop. I don't have 17 inch laptop, but this is 15 inch and there is plenty of space left. Also to add, the whole backside and the bottom of this compartment is padded to protect laptop. The second zip in the middle extends to both the corners of the bag to lay down whole laptop compartment. Again, there is a padding here on the sides and whole front side is padded for protection. There is also a compartment for tablets which is about 7 inches wide. This material is stretchable, so you should be able to fit up to half or quarter inch more than this length. Just want to add, although this can lay all the way flat, I was asked to take the laptop outside almost at every airport I went. Coming to the main compartment, first thing you will notice is it's very big and divided by 3 different expanding file style compartments to fit almost everything you will need. You can also set up one more laptop, clothes, hiking needs, a DSLR or any combination of your like. On the other side, there is one more pocket with zipper and on a top compartment for iPod, which you won't be using it for that purpose anyway. I used it to keep my portable hard drive. On both the sides, there is a zippered pocket extends till the end of the bag, followed by a bottle holder with a strap lock. On the bottom, as I talked earlier, laptop compartment is padded while the rest is just a regular material. Also, the bag is very comfortable for long usages with heavy weight inside. There is one more layer of padding on the back and straps are soft and comfortable, and one of the straps also have a stretchable spec holder if you need. I hope I covered everything. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and I will answer as soon as I can. Don't forget to subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.